Ms. Rachael O'Bar, isn't it a fact that now you have lied to the Idaho Supreme Court at oral argument on June 5th of 2013? Ms. Rachael O'Bar, isn't it a fact that in the CD that I received from the Idaho Supreme Court, in sections in 7 minutes and 38 seconds into the CD, Ms. Rachael O'Bar, you straight out lied. You stated, quote, August 1st, 2008, before counsel was involved in the case, the adjuster sent out record requests. But you see, that wasn't Ms. Julian who sent for those record requests. And isn't it a fact, Ms. Rachael O'Bar, that the August 1st, 2008 letter that you used to send off for my records from the Idaho Department of Correction, isn't it a fact that it has your law firm, an attorney from your law firm on it, and underneath it says CC, carbon copy? Isn't it a fact that it was Mr. Hall's name that is on that document? So that was a straight out lie when you said that this all happened prior to counsel being involved in the case. That's a straight out lie, Ms. Rachael O'Bar. You lied to the Idaho Supreme Court. And you think I'm going to stand by and allow that to happen? Because you see, you are trying to destroy me. It's my lie, not yours. So here it is Father's Day, and I should be enjoying my time with my kids. But because of your actions over the last 5 years, I've put a strain on it, Ms. Rachael O'Bar. You and your firm, as you stated in regards to these HIPAA things, that issue should be brought up in a circuit court or sub court or something like that. Well, you know what, Ms. Rachael O'Bar, I'm going to do exactly that. And if I can have you arrested for lying to the Idaho Supreme Court, I'm going to have that also done. You want to try to make me out to be all this so mighty violent person. Who are the ones that are really lying? And you also lied in some other areas of the CD, which I will also be posting. I'll be following something in regards to all this. It's a lie. If the Idaho Supreme Court, because you see, I was only able to not really talk about everything. But I did mention that you all received them prior to August 15th of 2008. But I don't remember stating that you also sent them to Dr. Holt for review after you received them without my authorization. And then from August 15th, 2008, to October 10th, 2008, you were wanting this Industrial Commission to sanction me $300 because I wouldn't sign my medical release form so you could send off for these records. But in fact, you'd already gotten them. And on top of it, you were lying to the Idaho Industrial Commission during that time, stating that you can't get these records without my authorization or my signature on the medical release form. But you guys lied in your filings. And then I get sanctioned $300 in the findings of facts. Do they even know that? Are they really reading the record as a whole? I will not stand by and allow you to try to destroy me. I'm coming to Rachael O'Bar. I'm coming to Idaho, and I'm going to sue your asses. You did it 3 times. 3 times. And if the Supreme Court doesn't agree with me, I will also be filing an appeal on that. I will go all the way to the United States Supreme Court. You violated my rights that's protected under federal law, Mr. O'Bar. Your law firm, Mr. Hall, and your law firm, and the Idaho State Insurance Fund do not have permission to have my records, let alone send them to other medical providers without my authorization or without any without even protecting anything that was in the records. And those medical records are the documents that was clearly not relevant to my own life. I'm just letting you know, this is Father's Day. I should be enjoying my time with my kids. But because of your lies, and that I've had to fight your lies on my own, because I found some things out about Lynn Luker / legislator of the state of Idaho, which I'm going to also file an appeal to the Idaho Supreme Court in regards to my whole argument, because we all know that I did hire Lynn Luker back after he was granted to withdraw. So you see, in the next day or so, I will be filing that, Ms. Rachael O'bar. See you soon. You lied to the Idaho Supreme Court, and so did Mr. Hull.